Hi friends, Dr. Lisa here, cancer physical therapist, and I want to share a really groundbreaking new study with you. Now we know that exercise prevents cancer, but this new study really tells us how, and that's why it's so significant. Now, this study was done on people with Lynch syndrome. Lynch syndrome is a condition, a hereditary condition that significantly predisposes people to several types of cancer, especially colorectal cancer. So they took 21 individuals with Lynch syndrome and divided them into two groups. And one group was instructed to do a stationary bicycle 3 times a week for 45 minutes at high intensity. So that's above 70% of their maximum heart rate. The other group was given the usual care, not exercising. And they followed these people in some of their markers. And they followed them for their cardiovascular changes. And obviously, they had improvements in their cardiovascular health if they were in the exercise group. But the other things that they looked at were immune system modulators and inflammatory markers. So one of the significant findings in this study is that they noted a decrease in the inflammatory marker PGE2 in the colons of the individuals in the exercise group. Now that's significant because we know inflammation can be a trigger to cells changing in how they reproduce. So there was an inverse relationship. Increased exercise is decrease of this inflammatory marker. That's powerful. Now, the other things they found was what they looked at in the immune system cells. And in the exercise group, they had a significant amount of increase in natural killer T cells and CD8 T cells. And these are cells in our immune system that are constantly on surveillance for cells that may be going rogue, going bad, and have the potential to become cancer cells. They are knocking these out on a regular basis all the time. And exercise increases their production and number and activity. It's interesting to me because when we know researchers are really looking at the forefront of cancer care, and they're looking at immunotherapy as a way to use our own immune system to fight cancer. And here we have a tool in vigorous exercise that can actually do that. So I love that we have a true biological connection between the intervention, exercise, and how it can prevent and treat cancer. Super exciting. And this also validates a huge 2019 meta-analysis of millions of people that looked at physical activity in cancer prevention and survivability. So it really backs up all of the long-term epidemiological research that we're finding that supports the use of exercise as cancer medicine. Pretty exciting. And I think that we're going to continue to see more and more studies along this line. So I hope you found this valuable. And if you did, please hit the like and subscribe button below.